What's poppin' YouTube? It's your girl Everything Alex, and I'm back at it again with another YouTube video. If you are new to this channel, what it is, what's up? Got your nigga in the club, and what it is. What's poppin'? Happy to have you here. Okay, get settled in, get cozy, get comfortable. And if you are a returning subscriber, hey girl, hey boy, I missed you. Okay, thank you for coming back. For today's video I will be doing a room/office tour, because this is not the room I sleep in. This is like the room that I do everything regarding everything Alex, you feel me? So I'm gonna give y'all like a little room office tour. It ain't gonna be nothing crazy. I just want y'all to see what I got going on. That's it. I just want y'all to see. So yeah, before we do get into this video, please make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe. You know, all of that, hey, all of that, hey, all of that, hey, all of that. And make sure you do keep supporting the culture all 2020. Gang, gang, gang. Hit it for me, can't stop. Hey, won't stop. Hey, dun 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 dun. Hey, hit it dun. Hey, hit it dun. Hit it one more time. Dun 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 dun. Yes, make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe. And make sure you do keep supporting the culture all 2020. If you are wondering why I have on these throwback glasses, baby, don't come for me because I look good. Okay, but I have them on because it's like, what time is it? It's like almost nighttime, and I just woke up from a nap, but my eyebrows and eyelashes are already on, and I knew I wanted to record this video. So like whenever I know I'm finna take a nap or whatever the case may be, I might take a nap in the middle of the day, I put these bad boys on right here so my brows don't get messed up, because I sleep wild, okay? And I wake up and they'll be gone. Well, they won't be gone, but they'll be all across my face. So I put these on. They're like my brow protectors. Brow protector. So yeah, that's why I have them on. And I look good. I look fly. I look good. Touch my swag. Wish you could. I look fly. I look good. Hey, I look good. But yeah, that's what I got them on. So yeah, without further ado, let's just get right into this video. Alrighty. So first and foremost, let me show y'all what I work with. Oh, I look so cute right now. Like this if I look cute, okay? Just like it, just in case I look cute. Okay, so the first thing I want to show you guys will be like my desk setup, and you know. Alright, so let me show you. So this right here is my desk setup, and this is where I edit all my videos. This is where I got like 4 different journals. That's where I journal, figure out what I'm doing for the day, talk to God, read about God's word, and just, you know, see, got my water. Gotta make sure you stay hydrated, don't play with me. I got another journal. I love journals, clearly. And you know, just office materials. Got these pecans right there. Let me tell y'all real quick. Let me put y'all on. So I'm on like a little wishy bit of a diet, okay? And so I don't really eat like junk food anymore. So I gotta find an alternative because I like to snack. So I got them nuts, them pecans from Publix, but baby, they cost $15. That's exactly why people don't want to eat healthy, because $15 for some nuts? You gotta be out your rabbit's mind. Whatever. But yeah, so yeah, this is my little desk setup. Let me push my chair over here and move this cord in my little chair. That's my chair right there, and then I got me a little whiteboard. Right now my whiteboard is pretty occupied with my workout eating diet plan. So yeah, currently uploading a video, well, exporting a video. You already know how that be. Alright, so next right here, oh, that ring light is bright, boo boo. Just like my little workout gear, my little yoga mat, and a jump rope. Jump roping is like it has to be the most lethal exercise known to man. Don't say I didn't warn you. And then those, like that box right there, is basically my lip gloss base that I have. Okay, right here is my ring light. I know that's like super bright, but let me turn this off real quick. it's gonna change. Okay, that is my like ring light, and like you'll see why I set up like that when I turn it around, and then my camera would clearly be behind there and I will record. And you see them little cute little blinds. Yes. But yeah, next what we got, just a little stool thingy. This is what I was gonna use to sit on, but I like something with a back. Cute little fern plant, whatever. This right here is like a little ottoman. I think that's what it's called. That's not even right now. There. Alright. Yeah. And then I got this cute little chair. This is what I be recording in most times. Yeah, that's what I'll be recording in that chair. Super cute. More curtains just to make it even cuter. Right chair is a lamp that I never use, so of course it's for decoration, and like a nightstand, and then my little old school fashion camera. So cute. Cords. And then this right here is like basically my prized possession. This is like legit my makeup setup where I record my makeup videos. And then so that's also why y'all saw that ring light back there. That's the ring light moves closer. The ring light will normally be like right here when I do makeup videos, so it's like closer. But I just found out I got like a cute little setup. Let me show y'all what I'm talking about. Let me show y'all real quick. Let me show y'all. Okay, so the cute little setup. Like when I record on some videos, I can record this way. Let me show y'all real quick. Hey, ooh, welcome to the light show. Ooh, welcome to the light show. Welcome to the light show. Ooh, welcome to the light show. You feel me? Like, so that's why I started recording right here, because now I got me these little lights. But one of them, it come with 2 in a pack, and one of them broke. It was already broke when I got it, so I need to email them. Like, what am I waiting for? I need my money back. But yeah, cute little light show. And then right here, I just keep all my like lip gloss stuff or whatever, because y'all know I sell lip glosses. So if you haven't already, go check out Everything Glossy on Instagram. Okay. Yes. And honestly, this like, it's so cute. Like, y'all don't understand. It's so cute in here. Got my little painting. It's not even a little paint, that's a big painting. And then like inside of here, it was white, but my mother-in-law, she painted it blue. And then those are like her treasured paintings. I told her, not trying to be funny, but I told her they look like slaves at first, but they're just like Jamaicans, doing what Jamaicans do on a day-to-day basis, I believe. So yeah, and she told me not to ever mess them up. So they gonna stay right there, hanging up on that wall, unbothered, untouched. But yeah. Ooh. Oh, I don't know if I showed y'all this little mirror. Ooh, showing my goodies. But yeah. But yeah. So that definitely concludes this little room tour. Like I said, it's just like my little office and where I do everything. And if I want to escape, I just come in here. I work out in here in the morning too sometimes. Well, yeah, like basically anything I do, I just do it in here. Like, it's like, y'all know how like men got their little man caves. Now I got my little office. Stop playing with me. But yeah, make sure you guys do, like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. Just like it, because I'm cute. Like, oh, my knees, y'all tell me this, how do I fix having bad knees? My knees been hurting, boy. My knees really been hurting. But make sure you do like, comment, and subscribe. Make sure you do keep supporting Coach All 2020. And I'm out. Bye guys, thank you for watching.